You think your iPhone home screen is looking nice? Nah, not until you've seen this. 1. MoYo Widgets, the aesthetic and utility king. First up, meet MoYo Widgets. Think of it as your home screen's personal stylist and assistant. You get modular widgets showing your steps, calendar, battery, brightness, and, wait for it, an extra app dock right on your home screen. Yep, tap, and boom, the app opens. No swiping, no searching, just vibes. And if you're a transparency freak like me, MoYo nails it. One tap and boom, your widget becomes transparent. No screenshots, no hacks, just straight magic. 2. Usage, the system monitor you never knew you needed. This one's for the tech-savvy wizards who love to keep tabs on everything. RAM, checked. Storage, monitored. Battery life, broken down like a tech journal. You can even set data limits and get real-time stats. It's like giving your iPhone a dashboard worthy of a NASA control room. 3. Cloud battery, for the Apple overlords. If your desk looks like an Apple store exploded, you need cloud battery. Monitor the juice level of all your Apple devices from a single widget. It's like Control Center, but cooler and more organized. 4. Structured, the productivity Picasso. Think Google Calendar had a baby with a to-do list. Structured lets you time block your day in a beautiful drag-and-drop format. Perfect for overthinkers and planners alike. Productivity never looked this slick. 5. Dark noise, instant Zen mode. Need to drown out your neighbor's karaoke nights? This widget launches your favorite ambient sound instantly. No app opening. Just tap, breathe, and vibe. 6. Cheat sheet, the widget with a memory. Locker combos, Wi-Fi passwords. That one gate number at the airport you always forget. Enter. Cheat sheet. A small widget that holds big secrets, like your brain's post-it wall. 7. RainViewer, storm chaser mode. On. Apple weather is cute. But RainViewer? That's meteorologist-level power. Get real-time storm tracking, not vague drizzle forecasts. Essential for commuters, photographers, or anyone allergic to rain. 8. Thoughts, daily mindset. Reset, motivational quotes? Sure, but your own thoughts? Even better. This widget lets you drop daily reminders, mantras, or brain dumps right onto your home screen. Perfect for your morning mindset reset. 9. PixelPals. Yes, it's a pet. In a widget. Imagine Tamagotchi moved into your iPhone. PixelPals gives you a tiny virtual pet right on your screen. Walking, waving, vibing. It's uselessly adorable. And that's exactly why it's genius. 10. All my batteries, cross-device battery tracker. Got an Apple Watch, a MacBook, maybe even an iPad lying somewhere under your blanket fort? All My Batteries lets you track every device's battery, without even turning them on. 11th, ChatGPT Widget, AI at your fingertips. Let's add some AI sauce. The ChatGPT widget lets you start a voice convo, upload pics, or shoot a message, without opening the app. It's basically a neural brain on your home screen. Think of it as your AI buddy, who doesn't sleep, doesn't judge, and always has answers. 12th, Widgy, widget customization on steroids. You knew this was coming. Widgy, the one that started it all. Now redesigned for iOS 18, you get iOS 19-style 2-row app widgets, custom icon launchers, and insane aesthetic options. If you want control, design, and total dominance over how your iPhone looks, Widgy is your weapon. 13th, Dumbphone. Minimalism, supercharged. Okay, time to detox. Dumbphone strips everything down. Only your essential apps remain on a widget. No icons, no distractions. Just minimalism at its finest. Perfect for focus days, study time, or pretending you live in 2005. 14. Locket, photo widget with a personal twist. This one's for your emotional battery. Locket lets your friends send photos directly to your widget in real time. Forget Instagram filters or Snapchat streaks. This is raw, spontaneous, and real. 15. Launcher, turbo boost your home screen. Launcher is like speed dial for your life. Want to launch your playlist? FaceTime your mom. Or open your Uber app? Put it on your lock screen. Done. That's a wrap. Drop your favorite widget below, like sub, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next deep dive.